This project was planned during the last 5 years. We managed to execute it during 2011 and 12, and the estimated cost was 4 million euros. We invested 150,000 euros during 2011 with the installation of high-efficiency solar panels on the roof, as well as the insulation of the roof of the hotel in all blocks. During 2012, we managed to execute the second phase of the restoration, which was the renovation of all the rooms as well as the public areas of the hotel. In this part of this second phase was the very important replacement of our chiller, the air-conditioned chiller, with a geothermal unit, which was very important for us for cost efficiency reasons. This was, had an estimated cost of 350,000 euros. And at the end, we managed to secure our objectives, which were, firstly, to economize and to reduce our operational costs, to establish our hotel as a ecologically friendly hotel, and also to make use of the technologically advanced systems that were available during this time. I am quite confident that we have succeeded in our investment, and the figures we get already are quite positive, and I believe that we will reach our target, which is the economy of 50% of our operational costs. This investment was planned to reduce, in particular, our electricity cost, which in Cyprus is one of the highest in Europe at the moment, as well as our fuel cost, which is also quite high. To reduce our fuel cost, which is also quite high, we managed to get already some figures as to the efficiency of these units, and I believe that our target will certainly be met by the end of the season.
The greatest interest of a restoration project is the challenge to install new technologically advanced systems with the utilization of renewable energies like solar and geothermal energy. In the rooms we install concealed time vacuum units. We change the doors with double glass with aluminum insulation, and we replace the ordinary lamps with LED lamps. All the common facilities is the same strategy as in the rooms. This combination of CO2 reduction in emissions with renewable energy has been done for the first time in Cyprus. It covers the 90% of all the energy needs of the hotel for the cooling, heating and hot water. The whole system is monitored by an energy built-in management system which has been done for this purpose, and it can be monitored in the web browser. It is worth mentioning that the whole system is subsidized by 30 to 40% by the Cyprus Institute of Energy. The design has been based using high-efficiency Climaveneta closed-loop heat pump units with total heat recovery for the production of cooling, heating and domestic hot water. The whole system is assisted by solar panels, tube type, for the heating of the swimming pool, for the production of hot water and for the production of hot water for the laundry.
In Pernera, the design was calling for a geothermal water-cooled chiller, a HIPAM one, that will provide cooling and heating water for the space and domestic hot water production for the needs of the sanitary water. We offer here one Climaveneta HIPAM total heat recovery unit with some special features which is able to fulfill all these requirements. He can provide cooling in the summer, heating in the winter, and at the same time can produce domestic hot water free of charge in the summer because it's recovering 100% the otherwise rejected heat. Now, with the system we offer, in the worst situation we have an efficiency 4. And if we utilize the production, the recovery of heat, we can go up to 8, which means in the worst situation we are making 50% saving, and in the most optimistic we can go up to 70-80% savings in energy, in primary energy. Climaveneta is a leader. It's a leader since many years, and he has a very well-tested technology, which means that having a HIPAM water-cooled geothermal, that means that we can utilize the energy stored in the ground to produce cooling or heating more efficiently.